Oh, I missed that. You can unlock the, secret level by that. Unlock the secret level if you, later in the level, or, sorry, early in the, can, earlier in the level you can open a little thing, and then that opens a door where you can get a little thing, like a little statue or something. I don't know what it actually is, but it looks like a statue. Or not a statue, like a... just got the moon on it, I don't know, but you place it up there. And then when you place that up there... we place it on there, it becomes nighttime, and then there's a star that you have to follow, and then that will take you to the... that will take you to secret level. Funny little Crash Bandicoot level. Oh, I forgot I don't have Whiplash. That's gonna make the Suzuki Insurrectionist more difficult, I guess. I mean, it's not the hardest boss. Say boss, it's like a more mini boss. I was gonna skip him, essentially skip him. Actually, that might actually count as skipping the level, but it's not. When I meant like level skips, I meant the entire level. Like on the last Deliria, if you can hit a slam storage, then you can skip the entire thing. This is what I mean. Schisms have way too much HP. Meow, wow, wow. I really like this Layers music. Like a lot. Oh, well, he freaking flew the other way. I wanted to, get health. Honestly, I might be able to still do the Sisyphine thing if I, am fast enough. I just have to be really fast. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it for just shotguns. What is the epic glitch for shotguns? Like, or epic tech for shotgun? That, I guess? Oh no, I'm gonna die because I did that. Well, can I still get there? Ugh! Well, I killed myself. That one doesn't count. Do I have to activate or something? He's not here. There we go. Yeah, I don't think I can. You might be able to get here fast enough. Far away enough for him to... oh, he missed. Loser. Get over here, man. Get in here. What are you doing? Oh, now he decides to... now he decides to actually leap. Get in the freaking pit, bro. I don't have to punch you into the pit. Well, he only needed one attack. One hit him. I did not. Punched him once. That was funny. Looked cool. Didn't, but I'll say it did. Level. Oh, I don't have the freaking whiplash. Open! That didn't work. Oh, I forgot I can't carry infinitely faster. Okay, now you're supposed to do these like one at a time, but I'm a psychopath. This is a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna get these freaking virtues out of here because they're just annoying. I'm out here and I thought, I need it! Don't care about the enemies. Do care about this enemy though. Last thing, you know, if you put the blue skull on here, this glows blue instead. You put if you put on soap, then it becomes white, and a red skull, it becomes red. Pretty cool. Only do the blue skull one without cheat though. Since there is a blue skull in this level. Oh no. Went right up next to a guy because I need blood, and he immediately just got sanded. Good thing I'm base. Oh, he... Yeah. I mean, okay. I normally use the jackhammer just because I find it's easier to gain speed in this game. So I'm constantly like switching to the saw blade one and then and then jump dashing and doing stuff to gain speed so that I can hit them with more damage. But then I forget, oh wait, I'm using shotgun. If I actually beat this, then I'm gonna change my shotgun skin since I like how it looks now, but Apple doesn't seem like Apple doesn't strike here into the heart of my. Also, you guys probably knew this, but if you grab that with the whiplash, and then there's water on the ground. If you zap it with the railgun, with the blue railgun, then it opens this door and you get a new weapon. You get the saw blade launcher. It's probably the best weapon. Everybody other than the 2 people watching this, 2 people being one. But you guys probably knew that. I'm a bit upset that B2 is not in Act 3. I don't think he'll be in Greed or I don't think he'll be in Fraud or Treachery. That'd be cool if he was, but he's not going to. Where is he? Dude, okay, this is much harder with just shotguns than the other levels. Because I can't freaking making him slow. And also, I have my, like... I've got my mouse sensitivity on really low, since I just like playing games with my mouse sensitivity really low. So it is impossible. Come on, bro, get back here. No, but it's the second phase. It's fine. Wait. Oh, no, it's the boss. I'm not gonna restart. Now, this is probably gonna be over 15 minutes, so I'm gonna have to trim some of this down. Honestly, if I trim any of this down, it's gonna be the first level. And maybe a bit of the end. Come on, get back up there. Get bullied. Oh. Did the wrong one. Or not wrong one, I did the wrong one. There we go. I'm probably also gonna cut down this part if it is over. I don't need the whiplash. I'm a rebel, I'm a gangster. Okay, do these guys legitimately not spawn if I don't grab it? Well, that sucks. Oh, and I've got to redo this now. Oh, perfect. Okay, fine, I'll have to grab Bro's little green arm. And just unequip it right after. Oh, it feels so good to have the freaking whiplash. I love the whiplash. Probably the best thing in this game. Niceness. No, this whole thing was probably over time limit, so I'm probably gonna shave some of this